Hey guys, this is Meggie from the Mediterranean Kitchenette, and today we're making Spinach. What's that? This is the authentic, the traditional recipe for a very delicious and hearty meal, Greek spinach and rice. So we're gonna need, first of all, half a kilo of frozen spinach, 1 medium-sized onion, 2 small cloves of garlic, 2 small carrots, 5 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh dill, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh parsley, and 1 cup of short grain rice. So in Greece we use Karolina, and great substitutes are jasmine rice, carnaroli, and arborio rice. 250 grams of tomato pulp, or 5 medium-sized fresh tomatoes peeled and diced or grated, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of olive oil, and 3 glasses of water. So you're gonna use a medium-sized deep pot, and you're gonna pour the olive oil inside, 5 tablespoons of olive oil, and you're gonna saute the onion over medium heat until it's medium gold in color while stirring all the time. Now let's go ahead and add the carrots, and let's saute those for about 3 minutes. And now you add the frozen spinach straight from the freezer and saute for another 2 minutes. Add the garlic and saute for 1 more minute, and then you add the tomato pulp and start boiling the whole thing for about 3 minutes. We would love to hear from you. Please leave your comments below. Thank you so much, guys, and all the best from Meggie and Eva from Athens, Greece. Now, time to add the rice, and we're gonna boil this for another 1 minute or so. Remember to be stirring all the time, guys. And then we're ready to add the parsley and the dill. All right, and after that, we're gonna add the water and the salt and bring it all to boil. So you're gonna cover your pan, and we like leaving our pan actually half covered. And you're gonna slow cook this over the lowest possible heat for about 30 minutes. All right, and the final consistency of this dish should be that of a creamy and thick soup. Before serving, make sure to sprinkle it with a bit of fresh olive oil on the top. And this dish is both vegan and vegetarian friendly. Now, if you're a non-vegan, then you can serve it with feta cheese or any goat's cheese, white goat's cheese of your preference. This is exactly how we eat it traditionally here in Greece. I'm gonna link the detailed recipe for you guys in the description below. And on our blog, The Bright Side of Life, you can find so many delicious, healthy, and easy Mediterranean diet recipes, so feel free to check it out. Thank you so much for being here, for your support. If you fancy, subscribe for more, and thank you so much, guys, and see you next time.